folks. It's me, Clinton Wachawi here. It is July 5th, 2023, and you'll never believe it. So it's been a while since I've done one of my reports. I have been out and about adventuring, but I wound up finding something out that made me decide to change garb here into this Michael J. Fox kind of Back to the Future Enchantment Under the Sea leather jacket here to celebrate going back to the future of the health of the Starbuck Dam. That's right, that's where we are. And I need to show you something from a bit of a bird's eye view here. The Starbuck Dam is repaired. Now, could have been mystical beings. It could have been the RM at McDonald's. I guess we'll never know. We'll never know if we don't try to find out anyway. But check out the craftsmanship of this bad boy. So we got this big old slab here. That's the mystical being part. I don't know what kind of machinery was in making sure that this slab was in place. We're a little higher than the regular flow. So I'm going to flip you around here. And you'll see the old dam platform of wood. We see where the breakage happened, and now we've got the new slab in place. We kind of have a nice regular flow going on. It feels like the year 2021 at least, maybe 2020. So we're back in time, we're fixed, we're doing all right here. So things are even better than status quo at the Starbuck Dam. I'm going to snap back up to safety right away, but I had to share my celebratory garb with you. Get out there, explore Manitoba, stay safe, have fun, and I'm sure I'll report on the dam again soon. Later.